Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking the essentials. Choose the platform and read its reuse content policy so you know the boundaries. Next, gather licensed source material and prepare short scripts that add clear value, commentary, facts, or analysis. Once done, start editing one video. Layer your own voiceover, trim clips, and insert original graphics. Make sure to log sources and timecodes for each clip. That evidence prevents future strikes and proves you transformed the reused material into something new. Now focus on transformation, the core of passing review. You must change the viewer experience. Add authoritative narration, new context, or critical analysis that alters intent. Also apply visual edits like cropping, speed shifts, captions, and B-roll so clips no longer feel copied. Once edited, craft a unique title, detailed description with timestamps, and a custom thumbnail. These elements tell the platform and viewers this is new work. Make sure to keep source logs and permission notes for every asset used. Finish by completing platform requirements. Link payment and tax details, verify identity, and submit your channel or account for monetization review. Then watch analytics and manual review notices closely so you can respond fast. If a video is flagged, prepare an appeal with timestamps, scripts, and permission files that show transformation. Make sure to learn from rejections, tighten commentary, increase original footage, or add research segments so future uploads meet the policy and scale toward stable revenue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.